So today we're gonna go check out the racetrack. They're drifting today. Let's see if we can get some cool shots. So we're at the track. COVID rules still apply. Wear your mask. 6 feet. No cars here. Got Tom over there. See the lines on the ground. That's COVID lines. Don't pass those.
YouTube channel.
I'm gonna use this.
Oh shit. Can you write down the script?
I can write you a killer script. Okay, so let's start with the basics. What kind of car are you driving?
I have a shipbox 720 69 SX. I drift the shit out of it. And no, I was back in high school. I don't know what I'm doing here. Brake light.
This is what you're supposed to do with tires that get stuck.
You always bring your scissors. This is why everyone always asks me, why do you have scissors in your car?
So if you guys are looking for scissors, look for Vaughn. His tire flew off. Arvin. So now there's 3 jacks down there.
They're great! Where are my lug nuts? We got missing lug nuts.
The cooler's saying I'm leaving.
Hey guys, just to change the distance in the bolt.
Do you stash them somewhere?
Right on, buddy.
Rex has a secret stash of parts.
want one more? The dimples are just popping. It's still in one piece. Okay, ready?
Yeah. First time I've ever been in a car like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I just been driven in mom cars, bro.
You want to go again or?
Yeah, I mean, one more?
Yeah, of course.
A really challenging course. It's been a while since we had a really challenging course. And, dude, everyone had fun. Everyone had a blast. Had a couple issues, you know, right? We had a wheel fall off. We got a hatch that's I don't know, not running right now. Palaka's trying to tow it or something. All right. Yeah, but overall, it's a lit day, man. It's been a while since we had one of these fun days here at the track. Everyone came out, you know, more than usual, right? Good day, man. We're still rolling? Oh god.
So it wasn't really that great of a day. My hair's messed up. My GoPro, the SD card was messing up, so there's like a lot of shots that I missed, but I got it to work at the end. Got some interior shots, driver shots. Smoking out, looks super. Woo! Hopefully next time I'll be driving. Peace.